Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another VITURE Beast video. There was a big update. It's one that I've personally been waiting for. It's going to grant us a little bit more screen real estate, so definitely excited about that. Now let's just jump into the website and see what's going on in this update. All right, you're able to see some of the information about the update here. Now, one of the big ones, the most big one, is going to be this 1920 by 1200 per eye. That's going to give us just a little bit more screen real estate vertically, and I honestly didn't expect it to be as big of a difference as it was. I'm glad I made a before and after video because honestly, I'm really excited about it. And if you've been on the fence about the VITURE Beast, this might be what takes it over the edge. There's also some changes in side mode. You can now move your display from the top right corner, top left corner, bottom left corner, bottom right corner, wherever is best for you. I personally think I'd like the top right corner or top left. So that's definitely going to be something that's a nice addition. You can also change your shortcut to be changing your display mode. So if you wanted to switch between default mode, ultra wide, 3D, side mode, you'll be able to do that. There's also a big one that I mentioned in my VITURE Beast review is the refresh rate would always change. Every time you disconnect and replug in, you'd have to go through the menus and set it back to 120 hertz. So now you're able to set it once, set it and forget it. Basically, you'll be able to unplug it, plug it back into your next device, and it'll still be there. And they also changed a little bit of the way that the firmware is going to be upgraded. So if you need Mandarin support, that's available to you now as well. That's personally not for me, but all you have to do is head into settings and go to language and change that out. So let's jump into my quick side-by-side comparison before and after on that 1200p update and see how the difference is. All right, so we're back with the ghetto camera rig setup. You can see I got my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 set up on my Moto Razor, and I'm just peeking it into the left lens. Now, I do have my prescription lenses on, so it's probably going to be a little bit blurry, but it should give us a good sense of the screen changes. So let's take a look. Right away, jumping into the comparison, you can see that the image on the right is significantly bigger, it appears. Now, that's because the vertical up and down screen real estate has increased, so it's actually able to use more of that eye view space. Now, I'm honestly in disbelief in this video. You can see the image on the right is moving around a little bit because I was adjusting the Osmo Pocket, and I was just kind of like, there's no way it's that big of a difference, because I came into this expecting it to be just like maybe a little bit more crisp, but having that extra vertical real estate is a big game changer. Definitely excited about using this and just getting to take advantage of it with some games. Okay, I don't want to set up my ghetto camera rig again, so I'm just going to show it to you like this, but let's quickly show this is 0 degrees of freedom, right? And if I switch it to side mode, using my side mode shortcut, you see it changes it to the top, what is it, left corner right now? And then it also allows you to see more through the lens by changing the transmittance. Now, I think that motion might actually be smoother as well. If I hit it again, it'll switch back. All right, and that's the big update we've been waiting for the VITURE Beast. What do you think? Is it something that you're going to want to jump onto if you haven't already? If you already have a VITURE Beast, definitely go hook it up and try it out. Let me know what you think. I'm honestly very impressed with the difference in that vertical screen real estate. I didn't know what to expect coming into it because it seemed like a very small adjustment, but actually, you know, I'm going to officially say right here, right now, I was incorrect. I was wrong. That 1200p update did make a big difference, especially on a screen that's so small, so close to your face. It really changed the game. Definitely appreciate everybody for sticking around. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button on this channel. Head over to the giveaway video. I'm going to put a link in the description in the comment section of this video, maybe a card right over here or over here, wherever those cards go. But I definitely want you to head over there. Right now, I think we're under 100 entries for that, and we have 10 prizes. So that's like a 1 in 10 chance of you winning a prize. Definitely go check that out if you haven't already. Appreciate everybody for watching. My name is Connor. This is where the informal tech reviews live, and we'll see you next time. Peace.